Welcome back to Fast Takes. If you have a 1968 to 86 Chevy C10 with the factory power steering box in it, more than likely your steering doesn't feel the greatest. It's probably a little loose and sloppy and not giving you a lot of confidence in it. So if you do have that problem, go ahead and upgrade to the Borgeson Street and Performance power steering box, because this will eliminate all of that. You'll be able to get your confidence back in driving and your steering will feel tight and how it's supposed to be. This power steering box will give you a 12:7:1 ratio with a firm modern steering feel, and it'll bolt directly to its stock locations and fits the original power steering pitman arms. And it will include adapters to be able to use either O-rings or a flare style hose connection. So if you're looking to regain the confidence in your truck, pick up one of these power steering boxes off our website today.